What's up, guys? It's the card trick guy, and I'm going to show you a very cool card trick that's super easy to perform, and it will just amaze anybody who you show it to. So let's get right into the trick. Alright guys, so for the trick, you're just going to need a standard deck of cards. There's no force required, and yep, that's all you need. So a spectator can select 3 cards. Let's say it's these 3 right here. I'm not going to look at them, but you can show them to the camera right here. And what we're going to do is we're just going to make 3 piles right here. And we can just put the 5 extra cards in the 4th pile. So the spectator can take their card, put it on top of the first pile, and then cut any number of cards he wants from the second pile onto that first pile. Do the same thing with the second pile, cut any number of cards he wants from the third pile. And then once he places it on the third pile, you take the entire 4th pile, put that on the entire 3rd pile, put that on top of the entire 2nd pile, and put that on top of the entire 1st pile, just like this. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn the cards face up and face down. Well, there's only 3 cards left in this pile, so I think that they are the 3 cards that you chose: the Queen of Diamonds, the Jack of Clubs, and the Ace of Hearts, just like that. Alright guys, if you like that card trick, make sure to stick around for the tutorial. We're going to be going over exactly how to do this trick. It's super easy to perform, and it'll amaze everybody. Alright guys, here's how you do the trick. All you need to do is have a spectator select 3 cards, like these 3. We're going to be turning them face up for this tutorial.
Have you ever had a dream that you want?
So now, what we're going to do is we're going to make a couple piles. The first pile, you want it to be 14 cards in the pile. So now the second pile, you want it to be 15 cards. And the third pile, you want to be 15 cards as well. And then you just put the remaining 5 cards in the 4th pile. Now, spectator can really put any amount of the cards that they want onto the other pile, just like that. And the thing about this is, if you're a little bit more advanced and you don't want to just say, okay, let's start with 14, 15, and 15 piles, you can actually force a 4, a 5, and then a 5. And then say, we'll just add 10 to whatever card you select. You can force a 5 with like a slip force or whatever you want, and just like that, you'll have the pile number, so that they don't even think that there's any setup to this trick at all. So now the 3 cards are face up in the deck, so we can show you as we do the piles when the cards come up. Look. And just like that, their cards will always be the last 3 left in the deck. Alright guys, that was an incredible trick, and it's going to wow everybody who you showed to. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.